Hello traders, welcome to Snipe the Trade. My name is Orlando, and today we're going to look at cryptocurrency markets again because it's since we last spoke or since my last video, there was a very big development in the cryptocurrency markets. And on Friday, the news came out that China was going to ban um, it was going to ban cryptocurrencies exchanges, and this is very important for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies because 23% of the volume traded comes from China. So that this is going to definitely shrink volume in these markets. And not only that, the biggest miners are set in China, which means that the biggest computing systems that confirmed transactions are in China. And now that everything is banned, this is going to slow down this ecosystem too. So basically, Ethereum and Bitcoin, they took a hit. As you can see right here, let me just show you where the news came out and where the levels that we were trading at. I'm just going to add a rectangle. So here is where the news came out. As you can see, we traded this move up from the 285 level to our targets at the 330 level, where price started to chop. And actually, we had a short or a sell order right here. And I'm going to show you a sell order actually. We had it right here. You can see that we had a sell stop at 310.56 around, this level. Yes, we were waiting for this low to break after our long trade, but we decided to close it over the weekend because we were not going to be monitoring the markets and you don't trade blindly. Of course, our targets would have been hit because our target on this short was 265. Well, actually, no, our targets would not have been hit on our short position, but the short position would now be in profit. So basically, we missed out on this news, but you can control the news, and you don't know where the what the, when news like this are going to come out. So it's better to play it safe. And as you can see, there's a lot of volatility in the markets. But this is important news for the cryptocurrency. I think that everything is going to be fine, and we are going to resume uh, the the bigger move to the upside on both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And as you can see right now, we are trading inside of a range and creating a triangle on Ethereum, and we are going to wait for this triangle to break to the upside, in my opinion, before trading cryptocurrencies or trading this cryptocurrency again. Let me just um, uh, we'll zoom in on the chart, and I'm going to wait for this range. Actually, I'm going to wait for this range to break because this is the immediate range that we are chopping in. Okay, we tested this descending resistance, and of course, sellers were stepped in and started pushing price up. But we are also creating an ascending support, which means that we are um, turning even more inside of this triangle, and it's about to break. So basically we are going to wait for these hands to break in order for us to trade Ethereum to the upside. And let's go and watch what Bitcoin is doing right now. You can see that here is where Bitcoin lost about, well, this drop in Ethereum was about 20%, a 20% drop, and this was about a 15 or 14% drop in Bitcoin due to the news in China. But Bitcoin is also kind of choppy at the moment. We are going to wait for Bitcoin to give us a little bit more information on its possible short-term direction because we are not going to be trading these choppy markets. And as you can see right here, just look at these candles. These are some heavy indecision candles. And actually, we are making a triangle inside of a triangle, and well, we are not going to trade this choppiness because this is well, setting money on fire. But stay tuned because our subscribers are going to get my signal once we have definitive direction, and this can happen at any time. So if you're not a subscriber, just go to www.snipethetrade.com and join in because my signals are free, and as you can see, we are making money in these markets. This trade in this trade, we made about 4,300 ticks.